This is the practice test for algebra. Here we're working on problem number 9, which says if 3x minus 2 equals 13, what is the value of x? So I want to solve the equation and find the value of x. So here's my equation, and I want my x term to be on the left-hand side of the equal sign. I want to move all of my numbers to the right-hand side. And so I have this minus 2, which I want to move over to the right. And the way I do that is I put the same number underneath it with the opposite sign. So this is a negative 2, and I'm going to put a positive 2 underneath it. I'm adding 2 to this side. The rule for equations is whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other. So I'm going to add 2 onto this side as well. So when I do this, the 3x is just going to come down. The minus 2 plus 2 are going to cancel. My equal sign comes down, and 13 plus 2 is 15. And then my last step is always to divide both sides by the number in front of the x, which is 3. And that's what I've done down here. I divide this left-hand side by 3. I do the same thing on this side. Whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other. The 3's cancel. I'm left with x, and x is equal to 15 divided by 3, which is 5. And that's my answer, letter B.